issued by the Amur State Health Department. Please stand by for further instructions. An affectionate behavior advisory has been issued by the Amur State Health Department. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have gotten reports in the past couple of hours about a strange behavioral phenomenon. This phenomenon causes an individual to form a strong attachment to the nearest person. This is believed to be ADM 14 or affectionate behavior modification. A person with ADM 14 experiences extreme emotional attachment to the nearest person. This attachment may happen through long eye contact or physical contact. Individuals with ADM 14 have shown to be inseparable, even by force. To avoid getting ADM 14, we advise to not make eye contact with a person for more than 40 seconds and avoid any physical contact with a person for more than 35 seconds, as you can't tell if the person walking past you may be infected with it. We also recommend to avoid heavily overcrowded spaces. Isolation is optional if you are not infected. If you believe you are experiencing symptoms of ADM 14, then remain with the individual nearest to you, as the individual most likely has it. Do not isolate yourself after, as it increases the symptoms. Stay tuned.